We're back at it. We love checking out all the new stuff over at AI Agent Store. And today, we're going to look at something pretty wild.
Wild is right.
This one is called browser use.
Hmm.
And it's, an AI that can take over your web browser. I mean, whoa, right.
Yeah, it's like straight out of science fiction.
Totally. But it's also a great example of how fast AI agents are getting more and more sophisticated.
Absolutely. And increasingly capable of tackling these real-world tasks.
So, okay, let's break this down a bit.
Okay.
What is browser use exactly, and why should we care about it?
So imagine this.
Okay.
You have a digital intern, who can handle all those annoying little tasks you do in your browser every single day.
Oh, yes.
So browser use is basically like an open source Python library that allows AI agents to do just that.
Interesting.
It uses this tool called Playwright,
Okay.
and Playwright is like a puppet master for your browser.
So like clicking on links, filling out forms, taking screenshots.
Anything you can do manually, Playwright lets the AI do it for you.
That's amazing.
It really is.
Well, hold on. I want to make sure I get this.
Sure.
How does this actually help someone in their everyday life?
Well, think about all the time we spend in our browsers.
Oh, yeah.
Searching for information, comparing prices, entering data, all that stuff.
Ugh, it's the worst sometimes.
Right. So browser use can automate a lot of that,
Oh, wow.
freeing up your time for the more important things.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
So for professionals who basically live in their browsers,
Developers, researchers, analysts, all those folks.
Exactly. This could be a game changer for their productivity.
Yeah, I was reading that one market researcher used browser use to automatically gather pricing data from a bunch of websites.
Oh, wow. That's amazing.
Isn't that wild?
Yeah,
Talk about saving hours of work.
absolutely. And what's really cool is that browser use can be integrated with large language models like GPT.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So it's not just clicking buttons randomly. It actually understands what's on the web page and makes decisions based on that.
You got it. It can analyze the text images, even the structure of the website.
Wow.
And that makes it super powerful for tasks that need understanding and adapting to different online situations.
That's pretty incredible. But if I'm being honest, the thought of giving an AI control of my browser is exciting,
Yeah.
but also a little scary.
Oh, yeah, I get that.
It's like, what if something goes wrong?
I mean, that's a valid concern.
Right.
Like any powerful tool, you got to use browser. Use responsibly.
Makes sense.
It's essential to have clear guidelines and safeguards in place.
Definitely. But I think the potential benefits, in terms of efficiency and productivity are huge.
I agree. It's all about finding that balance.
Right. And that's why places like AI Agent Store is so valuable. You can explore all these amazing tools and learn about what they can do
Right.
and even connect with other people who are trying them out.
It's really a great community.
It is. It's really a pretty amazing time to be diving into the world of AI.
I couldn't agree more.
Tools like browser use are just a little taste of what's possible.
Just the beginning.
So if you had an AI that could control your browser, what would be the first thing you'd automate?
Ooh, that's a good question.
Something to think about. And speaking of things to think about, be sure to head over to AIAgentStore.ai to check out browser use
Oh, yeah.
and all the other incredible AI tools over there. It's an amazing place to discover what's new in AI.
Definitely is.
Until next time.
So, yeah.